Standard Max. I am going to work out the third sum from unit 2, exercise number 2.8. So find the first term of GP whose common ratio is 5 and whose sum to first 6 terms is 46,872. So solution part, common ratio is given. What is that? R equal to 5. So why I have taken R greater than 1? So there are 4 formulas. If R less than 1, A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. That formula should be used. But here R greater than 1. So we have to use A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So next S6 is given, whose sum to first 6 terms, that is S6. How much is given? 46,872. And we want to find first term, because find the first term of GP, that should be found. So what is the formula here used? A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. For n we have to use 6, because we want to find sum to first 6 terms. So for n we have to use 6. A we want to find. For R they have given us 5. So 5 to the powers, again n we have to use 6 minus 1 divided by, for R we have to use 5. So minus 1, that is equal to S6. What is that? 46,872. 5 power 6. How do you find? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So these two 5 multiplying, we get 25. Like that we get 25. When we multiply 25 into 25, we get 625 into 25. When we multiply 625 into 25, we get 15,625. So 5 power 6 is what? 15,625 minus 1. In the denominator 5 minus 1 we get 4. That is equal to right hand side 46,872. So keep A as left hand side and bring the remaining things to the right hand side. So this denominator becomes the reciprocal, which means the numerator. And when you subtract these two, what will you get? 15,624. It is in the numerator. When you change as reciprocal, it comes as denominator. When you cancel these two, what will you get? It comes as 3 times. So A equal to 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So we found that the first term as 12. I hope you understood the sum. Thank you very much for seeing the video. Thank you. So this is the fourth sum. What you are going to find? Find the sum to infinity of first one, 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus and so on. Second, 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus and so on. From these two I am going to solve the first one. What is the first one? 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus and so on. See, if there is no nth term is given here, we have to find infinity only. You need not think about Sn, because here there is no last term, or there is no nth term, or there is no nth term. So if the sequence or series is like that, we should consider it as infinity series, because it has no end. Sorry. Okay. So from this you can you know that what is a first term, that is 9. How do you find common ratio? T2 divided by T1. So that what is the T2? T2 is 3 and T1 is 9. So that when you divide 3 by 9, you get 1 by 3. So this is the value of R. And we should know what is the formula for S infinity. What is the formula? A by n minus, 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. For A you can substitute 9. And for R you can substitute 1 by 3. So 9 divided by, when you multiply or when you use cross multiplication, 1 3 is 3 minus 1 divided by 3. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So it comes as 2 by 3. when you change it as, because you take it as 9 by 1 as one fraction, 2 by 3 is another fraction. When two fractions are in division, you should take as the numerator as the first one, and you should change the denominator as reciprocal. So 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. So 9 3s are 27. 1 2 is 2. So what is S infinity? 27 by 2. So this is the next sum. 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus and so on. Here also there is no n, so it is taken as infinity series. From the given, you can write the first term as a, that is equal to 21, and you can find r by solving t2 by t1. What is t2? Term 2, that is 14, and what is t1? 21. By cancelling 7th table, 2 7s are 14 and 3 7s are 21. So we will get 2 by 3. So again for S infinity we should use a by 1 minus r. For a, that is given as 21. So substitute that. In the denominator 1 minus r. For r you have to apply 2 by 3. Do the cross multiplication here. So 3 into 1 3 minus 2 by 3 in the denominator. So again 3 minus 2 comes as 1 by 3. So next again the same thing. It is the numerator and the denominator is in fraction. So the denominator is changed as the reciprocal. So it comes as 3 by 1. By multiplying these two, what will you get? 63. When you divide by 1, you will get the same number. So what is the value of S infinity? 63. Thank you students. I hope you understood what I taught you, and live safely and free from corona or COVID-19. Thank you.